December, all the bakeries around Luxembourg sell these little man-shaped brioche called the Boxemännchen. And they're a really great breakfast treat around Christmas and actually not that hard to make at home. You'll have most ingredients already at home, just get some fresh yeast and chocolate buttons for the eyes. The Boxemännchen is effectively a little man-shaped brioche for which I am using fresh yeast. And the yeast is dissolved in some lukewarm milk. And I love working with fresh yeast because it brings out so much more of that yeasty flavor. For the dough, the dry ingredients are just plain flour, sugar and a good pinch of salt. And to that we add a good portion of butter, but that will need to be melted first. We also need an egg and the yeasty milk. And this now gets kneaded into a dough for a good 5 minutes. So you see the dough is not sticky and slightly bouncy. It will now need to rest for 45 minutes to puff up. So it's almost doubled in size. It is thick, fluffy and bouncy. So now we can shape our little Boxemännchen. So I'm going to make 4 Boxemännchen out of this. So let's cut the dough into 4 portions first. And this blob will make a super cute Boxemännchen in a moment. I'm first cutting off a little piece that will make the head, so that I can really shape into a nice round ball and set it aside. And for the body, I just need to shape an oval, and then the little trick will happen on the baking tray. On goes the body. And then we're cutting it up into little legs and little arms. And in the end, the little head. It's so easy and so cute. And before they go in the oven, it's time for a little half an hour nap. Right, we're almost there. Now they're getting a little egg wash. And lastly, I'm giving them some chocolate chip eyes and a little button. And now a quick stint in the oven and my Boxemännchen are ready. And here they are, my little fat Boxemännchen, homemade and just too cute to eat. Schön feiert ihr alle gut.